Hello everyone, welcome to my room. So today I'm going to be doing a corner of my room tour. So yeah, here's an overview sort of. And here's my bed. So let's start. So this is my blinds. And it's the top of the corner of my room. And so this is my dog plush. Super cute. And I got this when I had a fever or the flu when I was in second grade, and it says I love you this much. And it's the brand, that one I mean. And this is in the furthest right corner of my room. And so next I have this Magic School Bus craft kit. And I already finished it. It's like a rainbow kit, science kit. And I got this at the thrift store like last year in May. And it's just a side. And as y'all know, I really love rainbow. So this was only $2.99 USA. And it was super fun to do. So that's that. And you already know my blinds. So this is the light, and then this is the top. It's like a garden theme. And then this is like a hanging container. There's nothing inside. And then this is my bear, as you all know. And saw it in my previous videos. And it's just hanging there. The container. Sorry that it keeps getting light and dark. So next this is my shelf. And this is all the lucky stars I made. I made a lot. And this is like the dream catcher kit. Like sewing. And then this is custard from Strawberry Shortcake. And it came with my doll, which is in the USA. And then these are some coloring books I got from my nieces and my youngest cousin. I have 3 and I'm done with all of them. I'm just putting them back. And yeah, this is an overview again of the corner of my room. I especially love this corner, but I love all corners of my room, but yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video.